Alright guys, I think this is another video that might be worth watching. This is Gretel, my mature female blondi, starting to groom herself. As you can see, there's some fang action going on. And she's rubbing her butt. Kind of feels like an itchy spot. But that's what tarantulas do sometimes when they're cleaning. Sometimes you'll have that little odd bald spot on the abdomen if they're not haired by defense. Usually they go and do that. Very cool, so I'll go to the other side. I'm keeping this 85% humidity. So what I'm doing is I watered the whole substrate with warm water, keep it a full water dish, and blocked off the side of the ventilation so none of the humidity escapes, which is really crucial to keep blondi very well. And I'll show you the mature male. He's over there somewhere hiding. And awesome. So just wanted to give you a little short video of Gretel grooming right here, and hope you enjoy it. See you guys.